What's up guys, Albayan ng Batayan nyo. Siyempre nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong music video reaction. At ngayon nga no, bibigyan natin ng video reaction ang bagong kanta ng SB19 no, sa album nilang Wakas at Simula no, na kakalalapag pa lang. So, siyempre lahat tayo excited, especially tayong mga 18 no. Ito tayong mga diehard fans ng SB19 no, yung nagmamahal sa SB19 no, sa Lima no. So, siyempre, kung bago ka dito at gusto mo naman tong aking video reaction sa bago nilang kanta, no, make sure to subscribe and follow mo yung, click mo yung bell para updated ka sa ina-upload natin na video reaction. So yeah, siyempre, excited ako, no? So matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nakapag-upload ng video ng SB19, especially ng mga bagong kanta nila. So excited ako, alam ko excited din kayo. So siyempre, wag na nating patagalin pa, no? Nakangiti ako dahil excited talaga, no? So, makikita nyo sa ating mukha na hindi, alam kong hindi lang ako yung excited, pati rin syempre kayo, no? So, wag na nating patagalin pa, no? Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa kanta ng SB19 na sa unang kanta, sa kanilang album na Wakas at Simula, no? So, syempre, wag nating patagalin pa. At syempre, disclaimer lang, magkakaroon ako ng maraming post. Titingnan natin kung may i-break it down tayo, no? Kung may i-breakdown tayong bars, kung sakali man meron sa part ng rap, no? So, syempre, let's go. Let's go. Wag na nating patagalin pa. Check lang ulit, yun na pala yung start. Yo, ano ba masasabi ko? Yeah, medyo excited lang, masaya lang siguro. Man.
It's the look in your eyes.
Ken, let's go.
I can get enough, no way I forget it.
It's the look in your eyes. Yeah, na-miss ko yung bagong kanta ng SB19 na mag-release. Wait lang.
It's the look in your eyes. I can get enough, no way I forget it.
I can get in. It's the look in your eyes. I can get enough, knowing I might forget it, no? So, yeah, syempre lahat naman tayo dagdaran sa ganyang estado ng buhay, no?
Tonight. It's the look in your eyes. I can get enough, no way I forget it. One round Davis tonight. They tell me not to worry. Okay, stay in the moment.
Yeah, let's go, Josh! Let's go, let's go! Man, ang ganda nung pasok din kasi yung biglang stop ni Ken, tapos biglang bumagsak yung beat, tapos man, yung pasok ni Josh, man.
No way I forget it. One round Davis tonight. They tell me not to worry. Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. Tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this.
Stay in the moment, trying to focus.
Good enough, no way I forget it. One round Davis tonight. They tell me not to worry. Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. Tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this.
Yeah, tagal ko rin hinintay, I'm gonna own this. I think yung opportunity, yun na yung nakikita kong tagal nilang hintay, mailalagay natin yun doon, kumbaga mailalatag natin yung ganong thought doon sa statement niya. Tapos tagal ko tong hinintay, I'm gonna own it. Alam niyo na yung kumbaga talagang ibibigay niya lahat. Kumbaga talagang ibibigay niya yung best para lang doon sa opportunity na yun.
Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. Tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this. Kahit pa matumba, sugat ay hindi ko na ininda. Alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na.
Yeah, lahat naman tayo, pag kumbaga, lahat man matumba, sugat ay ininda, 'di ba? Madalas nating naririnig 'yan sa mga alam mo naman 'yun, yung malayo-layo pa pero malayo na. lahat naman tayo may dumaan sa stage ng buhay na nasambit din natin yung ganong praise, no? Ganong praise. So, let's go.
Matumba, suka na hindi ko na ininda. Alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na.
And then syempre, yung cadence doon ni Josh, man, sobrang impeccable din talaga yung flow and then cadence din ni Josh. Pero syempre doon, yung natumba, yung rhyming din niya, yung rhyming din. So, on point. Expected yan kay Josh dahil nga, yeah, nanalo din siya ng Hip Hop Song of the Year. So, expected na natin yun.
Alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na.
Tapos, ang mas nagustuhan ko pa dito is yung hi-hats. Yung hi-hats na pagkakalatag din doon sa buong instrumental. So, yeah. So far, ganitong flow ng rap, isa sa paborito kong flow sa rap, yung ganitong flow na ginagawa ni Josh.
Ininda, alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na. Don't know what it is. I'm feeling like an ecstasy. Got me in a bliss. When I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we'll be dancing all night.
Yeah, yung combination din ng boses ni Pablo and ni Stel pagdating sa hook, talagang ewan ko, may iba kasi yung dating eh. Alam mo yung iba yung feeling na pag narinig mo sa hook si Pablo tsaka si Stel, man. Alam mo yon, yung satisfying siya pakinggan. kung maano nyo, no, kung ako lang ba or sobrang nasa-satisfying sa pakiramdam yung kombinasyon ng boses ni Pablo and ni Stel sa chorus, man.
Got me in a bliss. When I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we'll be dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us up off the ground.
Tapos maganda pa dito yung parang nagkakaroon ng thrill yung instrumental, yung background music na parang nagkakaroon yung beat na pabilis ng pabilis na going doon papunta sa pinaka part ng chorus, no. So marirealize niyo din talagang maririnig niyo kung paano din talaga ni Pablo ginagawa yung ganitong klaseng beat, no, production. Yan.
So hold on to it. We be going on and on and on. Even when the darkest place to come. You're the only girl that I have
Yo.
ever done.
So, ito yung pakiramdam ko nung narinig ko lang yung kabuuan ng ibang kanta ng SB19. Alam mo yung excitement, yung feeling na talagang alam natin na pupunta pa to sa may mas climax, may peak na part ng song. Ito yung pakiramdam. Men, sobrang saya ko na na-release na to. Although konti lang, pero well, yan pa rin yun. SB19 pa rin yan, men.
So hold on to it. We be going on and on and on. Even when the darkest place to come. You're the only girl that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only girl that I ever done.
Oh, man. Saktong-sakto din yung title. Syempre, alam naman natin yun, no, na yung title is Tim's Memory. So, yung part ni Ken, yung sa piece nung Might Forget It, tapos yung kay Josh, ng pinagdaanan niya, lahat. Kumbaga, ito na yung nagiging culmination ng lahat ng success ng SB19 ng 5, no? Ito na yung culmination ng lahat ng yon dito sa kanta na to, na Memories na to, na from the very start and then kung nasaan man sila ngayon. So, yeah. Man.
Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only girl that I
ang ganda pakinggan ng falsetto or head voice ni Ken. Isa 'yon sa strength pagdating kay Ken, yung kapabilidad niya, yung abilities niya na mag-produce ng ganung klaseng tono, ng ganung klaseng texture sa boses niya, no. Isa 'yon sa pinaka best fit kay Ken.
Sabi ko pa nung dati ayos na mag-isa Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya Yung dating pangit ay biglang naiba naging kaya Making our own history We're floating like a satellite Underneath the violet sky Million
Man,
yung dating pangit ay biglang naiba naging kaya
yung pangit ay
ko pa nung dati ayos na mag-isa Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya Yung dating pangit ay biglang naiba naging kaya
yung pangit ay biglang naiba naging kaaya-aya.
We're floating like
Tapos syempre, wag nating isantabi yung backing vocals ni Snell sa likod, no?
satellite underneath the violet sky. Million shining lights, we're dancing with the firefly. I never thought I'd ever be this lucky to be living life with you. There's nothing that we cannot do. Don't know
And there's nothing that we cannot do.
what it is. I'm feeling like an ecstasy. Got me in a bliss. When I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us off of the ground. A gallery of the memories. So hold on to it. We've been going on and on and on. Even when the darkest of days to go. You're the only good that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind.
Yeah. Man. Pasensya na. Kabuuan ng part from raps ni Josh to chorus Pablo Stel and Justin. Pero mas nagbibigyan ko dito ng mas madiin dito yung part ni Josh and Ken. Para sa akin lang nagkakaroon dito ng mas dominant yung part ni para sa akin mas dominant yung part ni Ken and Josh sa kanta na to. Parang si Stel and Pablo is nasa hook and si Justin. So, man, let's go.
Day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I've ever done. I can't wait to feel the warmth with the memories. Whenever it gets tough and you are on and low, I make sure that I let you know that you are not alone.
Yeah. Naano ko dito talaga na mas sa part ng song na to, mas parang kumbaga ito yung spotlight ni Ken and ni Josh. No, kasi sila lang yung dalawang nagkakaanuhan Sila lang yung dalawang nagkakaanuhan ng verses and parts and lines. Halos sila yung dalawa lang sa verses nagpapalitan ng linya, no. So,
Sure that I let you know that you are not alone. Not alone. My focus is on you. My focus is on you. Whatever we go through, what we go through, build a gallery of the memories to go. We be going on and on and on. Even when the darkest of days to go. You're the only good that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I ever done. I can't wait to feel the warmth with the memories.
yeah! Yes, let's go. Oh, man. First song sa album, Memories. Ano nga ba masasabi ko sa kanta na to? SB19. First of all, magandang panimula sa album yung ganitong vibe ng kanta, no? Hindi ko pa alam kasi pero syempre alam na natin yung Visa pero sa listing ng sa album nila dito is yung etong Memory. Para sa akin, good vibes, good start. More dominant part si Justin, more dominant sa part si Josh and si Ken. Silang dalawa nagpapalitan lang. Music wise, para sa akin, ito yung lighthearted na talagang mapapainda ka, mapapasayaw ka, mapapasabay ka sa beat kasi nga live yung beat, no? Yung pagkaka-arrange ng hi-hats, the bass, no? So para sa akin, yun ang maganda sa kanta na to, plus yung sa hook ng tatlo, ni Pablo, ni Stel, and ni Justin sa part na yon, no? So wala akong narinig sa part na solo verse, solo lines ni Justin, pero narinig ko siya sa background sa chorus. So yeah, man, good start para sa wakas at simula album. So yeah, susunod tayo ulit na kanta ng SB19. So be right back, mga Kaps. Paalam.